Hello.
Hello.
What are you doing at home?
I'm always home these days.
I know. Is that online business of yours?
It jolly well is.
Is that online business of his? What is it? Is it something to do with Bitcoin?
It's nothing to do with Bitcoin.
Well, what about gold and silver?
Nothing to do with gold and silver.
It must be, I don't know.
There's no lotions, no potions.
No lotions, no potions? No. Well, what is it then?
Have a look.
But maybe I don't want to. Well, then why would I be asking? This is what we get every day. It's quite funny, isn't it? What is it you're doing?
It's quite easy.
Do you know what we say? We say, we get lots of people asking. And so we had to come up with a method, didn't we? Of being able to tell everybody what we did. So what we did was we have got this page, this landing page. Yes? You just go on the page, land on the page. And it says, please put in your name and your email address. And we'll send you some info. Then you can have a look and it will tell you everything you need to know. Yeah?
It will.
It will. There's loads of hints and tips in there as well. So you can see lots of other things and lots of tips for if you are working with all those other things, lotions and potions and coins and crypto. I'm not really fan of crypto. But yes.
Yes.
It's good.
It's amazing.
We like it. And we're home. Yes. We really love that. So, if you're interested in knowing more about how you can set up an online business, even if you don't know, the first thing, we have lots of things, lots of training, lots of templates and things that you can use to get yourself started. So what are you waiting for? Click below. Come and see us. Only downside is that you have to work with us. Oof, it's a bit too much really, isn't it? Yeah. Anyway, bye.
Bye.